Oh, I was good for a moment there, and then all of a sudden...
Zooming up.
Okay, we'll go down there. That's good.
At least it's down
We're
at
basically
level.
A bit of
through
NOS.
this bit here.
Okay, we're ready. Roll.
Okay, where are you, Ron?
Where am I? I am just to the right of Mike Mace.
And just above Aussie Dave.
Oh, okay, because I'm following Vorky and...
Yeah, so am I. You might be
Okay.
underneath me.
You too. So, he's going the right way?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, call back up. Nice and sandy when you get it wrong. You have to catch back up. Oh!
There's a bridge down there, and no, there's no way I'm. Whoa!
No! Oh, Dave's going for it. No, jiggy
Oh.
that.
Missed
I
that.
don't know who it was I collided with.
Oh,
there.
jeez,
Hey.
Where's this bloody river gone? All I can
Oh,
see is
right.
trees.
Yeah, a bit hard.
Whoa! Oh,
I'm
that's
just sticking with the aeroplanes.
that was a good
Yeah.
bit of video, that actually, because there's planes everywhere.
Yeah.
Seagulls everywhere.
It is. Mine, 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 mine.
Gee, this granite is the plane for it though, isn't it? This is so much easier than last week
No,
when I was in the normal cut.
Yeah, it's a beautiful plane. Fly around like this.
Oh, shit.
I'm not even using my NOS.
Relatively straight section. I'm not going to try it.
Okay, I'm videoing again because everybody's in front of me.
Right, okay.
Okay, we got a right-hand turn coming up.
Ah! Oh, what happened there?
Tango Oscar Tango is clearing runway 23 and we will be clear runway 1.
Oh,
Power lines, power lines.
I idiot.
Yeah,
Oh, power lines there.
Oh!
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Trees.
All right, Mike's down.
Mike's down.
God.
Yeah, I'm having a little wash in the river.
Nice.
Who's that right next to me? We're just rattling wings.
I don't know, is it me?
Someone on my right. Yeah. Oh, just pulled in front of me.
Bridge, too low.
Bridge too low.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
like-
That's a jump for too high, too fast.
Going through the green of Vorkies.
Traffic Indian members